Hi, I'm Ian. Welcome to Addfield. Behind me we have a machine from our sister company Addfield Project. This machine is designed to process 1,100 kilograms of waste every hour. It's going to destroy general, medical, non-recyclable, hazardous waste. It's about to leave here in the UK today to begin its journey to the other side of the world in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. This is going to be installed to help keep the country safe and sustainable, removing the risk of waste going into landfill and going into the ocean. It's a very remote location, and a machine like this is incredibly important to the long-term sustainability of the country. It will dispose of all waste created on the island, and it's a fantastic machine that we can't wait to see installed and operational. It's a stepped hearth primary chamber right now. What we've got leaving, it weighs over 55 tonne. It's an absolute beast. We have a special police escort to get it out safely. If you want more information on this or any other big machines from Addfield and Addfield Project, just get in touch and we'll let you know everything you need to know. Thank you guys, I'm Ian, this is Addfield, and this machine is a beast.